Greetings to all. Today we are going to learn about why is friction a necessary evil. Friction is said to be a necessary evil because it is useful as well as harmful. Friction helps us to walk, write, hold things, lift objects. So it is necessary in our daily life. On the other hand, friction is also unnecessary because it sometimes results in loss of energy, wear and tear of parts of machinery, due to which it also damages things. So it is a necessary evil. Now we will discuss some advantages of friction. Friction is necessary because it helps us in. First is walking. We are able to walk on ground because friction between the sole of our shoes and the ground. When we walk, our shoes get interlocked with the ground, causing friction. This prevents us from slipping. It is very difficult to walk on ice or on a very smooth and polished floor. Second is movement of vehicles. The friction between the tires of various vehicles like cars, trucks, tractors, etc. and the ground help them move on the ground without slipping. In tires, friction is increased by making grooves in them. Due to greater friction, the tires provide a better grip on the road that prevents skidding of the vehicles. Third is spiked shoes for better grip. Spikes are provided in the shoes of players and athletes to increase friction, have better grip on the ground and prevent slipping. Fourth is writing. We are able to write because there is friction between the tip of pen or a pencil and paper. Without friction, writing with the pen or a pencil is not possible. Fifth is application of brakes. The brakes of a car or any moving vehicle depend on friction. When we apply brakes, the car stops due to the force of friction between the brake lining and the drum of the wheel. Sixth is lighting of a matchstick. When we strike a matchstick against the rough surface of a matchbox, it catches fire. The force of friction raises the temperature of a matchstick's head to such an extent that the chemicals in it catch fire to produce flame. Seventh is friction holds screws and nails in the wood. It is the force of friction that holds screws and nails in the wood.